Hello folks, in this video I will show how to create multiple YouTube channel using one Gmail ID. First open your browser and go to youtube.com. Now sign in with your Gmail ID. To secure your account, you must keep active two-step verification on for every sign-in. After completing the sign-in process, go to your channel creator studio. Now follow few steps which shown in the video. Before creating multiple channel under one Gmail, you must know this fact, which is, if you get 3 strike in one channel, you will lost both of your channel.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, baby.